Green Goddess salad recipe. Now there are lots of ways to make this, but this is my way of how I make it. And you can choose whatever salad ingredients you want, but green is good. So to make my salad base, I like to get some chopped white cabbage and also chop some lettuce on top too, along with about 3 or 4 spring onions and some rocket. I mix it as I go along, and you'll see there I'm adding some celery and some chopped cucumber. Keep mixing because that really does help. I like some apple in, and I love broccoli that's just been steamed, along with crushed and chopped nuts and seeds. To make my dressing, I use my hand blender, and in there I put about a handful of rocket, a handful of basil, and then I add again about 3 or 4 spring onions that are chopped. In goes around about 1.5 tablespoons of capers and 2 garlic cloves. Pop in a whole avocado that's chopped and about 5 tablespoons of Greek yoghurt. I then add in around about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and as you can see I just pulp it all up there. You want to add in the juice of a whole lime and then just mix it round. Now at this texture it's great to have as a dip for tortilla chips, but I want to drizzle this, so I add water, and it's up to you how much you want to add. I just want that nice drizzly consistency to drizzle over my lovely green salad. And there you go. There I am drizzling it away, but it also keeps well in the fridge for a few days too. I like to add things like cooked roast chicken, but today it's feta cheese, along with a good grinding of black pepper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you know where you can find the recipe again, and you can go to my website cookingwithemily.co.uk for the full written recipe.